So you're thinking about moving to Hilliard, Florida? Well, today we are in the Southern Pines community by Terrata Homes. I'm going to take you through the community. I'm going to show you a model home, which is amazing. I'm going to show you some of the largest lots that they have in here that are still available for sale. And you're going to want to stick around to the end because we're getting after it right now. If this is your first time on this channel and you want to know everything about working, playing, and having fun in the Jacksonville, Florida area and the surrounding suburbs, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to learn about the current real estate market here in Jacksonville, Florida. My name's Wike. I'm a local real estate agent, and I get calls, texts, and emails all the time from people just like you that are looking for help relocating to this area, and I absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in a month, a year, or possibly sooner than that, give me a call, text, email, or even click that Calendly link below for a one-on-one Zoom call. I'm happy to help you make a smooth move to Jacksonville. So I wanted to give you a little bit of background on Terrata Homes. Terrata Homes builds spec homes. They do not build to suit. They build based upon what they want to build and to maintain inventory within this community of Southern Pines. And what they build is big and it's beautiful and it's on large lots. I want you to see the size of these 1 acre lots. What you see right there is a drain field. They do have septic tanks here, wells, and look at the size of that lot of these lots. Again, the neighbor down the way there, they fenced their yard in. Look how long that run of fence is, just so you can visualize the depth of these lots. The spacing between the houses is huge. This is, of course, is a corner lot. This house is available for sale now. Give you a little bit of background on it. So it's 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2,950 square feet. It has a 3-car garage, and it's on a 1 acre lot. And we're going to put some photos up so you can see, what the interior looks like. I'm going to share those from Realtor.com and the IDX feed real quick. Pretty amazing, right? Here is another home that's available from Terrata Homes. And look at those beautiful metal roof accents. That's gorgeous, right? Something that I wanted to also share with you, it is totally okay to have outbuildings or storage buildings on your property within Southern Pines. That's A-okay. So you can bring your RV, boat, four-wheelers, campers, whatever you got, bring it on. It's okay to have an outbuilding or storage building on your property here. So I'm in front of the beautiful mantle floor plan. This is a model home for Terrata Homes. It's also an office, so I'm not going to take you inside every single room of the house, including the garage, because they do have some offices set up for their people. But it's 3,261 square feet. It has a 3-car garage. It's 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. It's on a full 1 acre lot. And we're gonna do a walkthrough right now. So I hope you enjoyed today's tour of the Southern Pines community by Terrata Homes. It's in Hilliard, Florida, again in Nassau County, which is just north of Jacksonville. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below if you think you might want to live on a home with a 1-acre lot. And also, if you want to reach out to me directly, of course, you can do that as well. My contact information is in the description below. You can give me a call, text, email, or we can set up a Zoom call. And like I always say, hope to see you around town.